Today's Ferrari is a 330 GTC that is numbers matching, original colors, and just about every book will tell you there's probably the best vintage Ferrari to drive on the road. It does everything right. It feels great, it looks great, and it's had long-term ownerships. It's got great history. The car's condition is fabulous, and let's show you what it does. We'll take it out on the road. Here we go. This is quite nice to be able to drive a vintage Ferrari with air conditioning. It works. The second gear does actually work quite nicely. Down the back roads as usual until she warms up, and then put it through its paces. Okay, well, here we are on the Twisty Road. This looks really good. Ready? Open the door. Close the door. Open the door. Close the door. Well, everything they say is absolutely 100%. I've owned many 330 GTCs, 365 GTCs. This chassis, the engine, is just a perfect combination of cool Ferrari. Famous farm road where we can get on in a little bit. She's just been dialed in. First, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear in cruising altitude. And then if you want to get on it as usual, third, and take off. GTCs have the best of every world. Air conditioning is on, sporty, drivable, V12 power, and that is why many people think this is the best driving vintage Ferrari of them all. So, we're going to bring it back to the homestead. We're going to put it back in the showroom, and welcome any questions you may have.